Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can blur background in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Adobe Photoshop application on my mobile phone, and I'm going to go to the insert object feature. We're going to use this feature to blur our background. We can tap on this feature, and here you can choose the photo you want to make the background blur. And for example, I'm going to create blur background for this photo, so I'm going to select this photo, and then I'm going to remove the background of this photo. We can use the brush, and we can customize the size of the brush right here. Okay, then I'm just going to select the background. Okay, just select the background like this. Okay guys, it's almost done. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to click on replace, and I'm going to add the prompt, make the background blur. I'm just going to add blur background like this, and we can click on generate, and the AI will generate blur background for our photo. Wait guys, it's still loading. Alright, and you just need to choose the background that you like, and if you're not satisfied with how it looks, you can click on refresh, and the AI will generate other results for you. And for example, I'm going to refresh it because I'm not satisfied with how it looks. Okay, wait. Okay, for instance, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, now it's done. As you can see that the background has been blurred, and if you want to save the photo, you just need to click on this icon, and the photo will be saved to your device. Tap on that and wait. Now the photo is being saved, and as you can see that my image has been saved to my gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create blur background in Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.